for a ride one time, come on. Top down, sitting in a drive bus, she wouldn't get out. Don't throw bugging and wagging around. And I just laughed and said, "He gon' get it." She had on a new dress and she curled her hair. She was looking too good not to go somewhere. So what you wanna do, baby? I don't care. What a show, we can stay right here. I can take you for a ride on the big green tractor. We can go slow. Go faster down through the woods, out through the pasture, knows how to view. Really don't matter. I'm a family loud. Trying if you want to, girl, you know you got me to hold on to. We can go to town, baby, if you'd rather. I'll take you for a ride on my big green tractor. So you fired up and I can show you around. Sit on the hill and watch the sun go down. When a fireflies are dancing and the moon comes out, we can turn on the lights and head back to the house. We can take another ride on the big green tractor. We can go slow, maybe go faster down through the woods, out through the pasture, knows how to view. Really don't matter. I'm a family loud. Trying if you want to, girl, you know you got me to hold on to. We can go to town, baby, if you'd rather. I'll give a ride on my big green tractor. Just let me do this all for me. Put your pretty little arms around me. And let's take a full ride one time, look. All right, you guys ready to sing a little bit? This is your time. That kind of sounded like shit. I said, are you guys ready to sing a little bit? Come on. All right, I'm going to kick this thing off. I want to hear you guys all the way back there by the Ferris wheel, all right? I'm going to start it. You guys take it over. Here we go. Take you for a ride on my big green tractor.